back in my channel, guys. So guys, this video is gonna be a very important, very beneficial video for every beginner, for every advanced learner who want to just develop their English speaking, who want to just speak the English language confidently like a native speaker. This video is very helpful for them. And also this video is not for only English. In this video I am gonna talk about something that can help you to do anything what you want. So yes guys, you listen right. The thing is, the topic of the video is why and where we waste our time. Yes guys, where and why we waste our time. Like, think about a successful person and an ordinary, means a simple person. What is the difference between them? The successful person also has 24 hours in a day, and an ordinary person also has 24 hours in a day. The successful person also have the brain, have the thinking power, have the eyes, have the nose, has the ears, and the ordinary person also has the same things. But what is the difference? Why they are totally just different? The difference is just one thing. This thing is time. Yes guys, you listen right, the time. The time also, they have the equal time. But the thing, the uses of the time. The successful person always just use their time to speak. They always just use their time to do lots of things, to achieve their goals, to do success in their life. But an ordinary person, what the ordinary person does, they just always do, and also they just search for the happiness. The thing that happiness is everything. They do a work, but after some few movements they just leave the work because it is very hard, I can't do this, and I also think happiness is everything. But no guys, I wanna say you that happiness is not everything. Happiness is not the life. Happiness is not the success. Happiness is not the destination. Means happiness is not our success. It is just a way of life to live in our life. So guys, always just I wanna say this thing, that the time is a very important. If you just understand and if you just capture the time, then everything will be very easy for you. Everything you can do very quickly. Now, where we waste our time? Okay, do you just think for a movement? Like, just think that in this whole year, in a year, there are 365 days in a year. But you also can't imagine, you don't know that we just use only 30% of a year. And the 70% we just leave. We just waste the 70% of days in a year. Yes, in our culture there are lots of a number of festival, a number of like celebration, occasions, and also events in our endless time, somebody's birthday parties, and also lots of type of parties, lots of type of traveling, relatives house. So this type of things we just waste our time. In these things we just waste our whole year. But guys, now just think, in our like culture we are just doing this thing, and in the America, in the London, in the France, in the like Japan, they don't just do this type of things. They like just waste their 20 and also 10% of the year. They always try to use them. I am not saying that forget about the occasions, forget about the festival. I am just saying that just do what you are just want. Everything in our, this is our culture. We have to follow it. We have to obey our culture. But with our cultural things, we also need to success in our life. So we have to just do what we want. Otherwise, it will not come to you. I am not just saying that leave everything. I am just saying that do everything, but with your practices. Just use your time for a movement. Now, how you will use your time? Lots of people will say me, how you will use your time? Like, wake up in the morning earlier. This time and also this nature. It is the morning time. It is the morning view, and it's so beautiful. When I have come here, I was just shocked that what the scenery is very beautiful. So okay, so just use the morning time. Just wake up in the morning earlier, and then just do what you really want to do. Means your mandatory work, your just daily routine. If you want to speak the English language, then just speak. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, just speak, just practice. And then do your normal words like eating, reading the books, doing the homework or others work. And then whenever you get the time, just do it, just practice the thing. And then just stop the doing the another thing, stop, just attend another every occasions, and also this type of thing. So guys, this thing I want to just say, if you understand that you can do it well in your future, the thing that I want to say you, that a bonus practice, a bonus idea I will just give you. This idea, if you just practice it daily, or if you just use without just speaking in every day, then it will be a very very important thing for you. That forget your mother tongue. Yes guys, forget your mother tongue. It will be a new kind of practice, but no, it is a very very important practice. That when we will forget our mother tongue, you also can think that we also learn our mother tongue when our brain was just unconscious. Like we also just listen for a movement, then we just listen and listen and listen, then we just practice. We did lots of mistakes. So like the English also, pretend that you just forget your mother tongue for a movement, and then just speak everything in English, think everything in something also, that it can be also a very very important. Then you can get lots of stock sentence and stock words, like it is a game. So guys, we always like to play games, so this thing also. So guys, this nature and also the background is so beautiful, and if you like, then please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video, comment a beautiful comment, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you learned something also, guys, please subscribe, because lots of people are just watching our video daily regularly, but they are not subscribing. So please subscribe, please like, just comment your favorite thing, and then bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.